Welcome to the Coupler.io Academy, where industry experts share tips and tricks on working with data. In this video, we will show you the 14 best marketing reporting templates out there. Hi, I'm Crystal. As a marketer, you certainly understand the importance of tracking your KPIs regularly. It's best done through insightful and interactive reports, many of which you'll find on the web. But how do you find the right one? I've compiled for you a collection of the top 14 marketing report templates that are free and will tell you plenty about your business right from the get-go. You'll love them because they let you see all your key metrics at a glance and monitor how they fluctuate over time. You can break traffic into separate channels as well as see all data combined. What's more, some templates let you monitor entire funnels and customize them to your liking. And last but definitely not least, marketing reports are invaluable when you want to better understand your audience. The report templates I found are mostly built on Looker Studio, Power BI, and Google Sheets. Check out the full list with links in the video description below, and let's get started. First on my list is a Google Ads report template for Looker Studio. The moment you connect it, it gives you an overview of all the vital metrics you want to track. Charts below tell you how KPIs change over time, which may come in handy for spotting unexpected behaviors and validating your campaigns. What's more, you can see the breakdown of your spending, check where conversions come from, and more. A separate page offers a monthly overview with tons of filtering options to extract precisely the data you need. Follow the README file to set up this dashboard for free within just a few minutes. Next on the list, I have a very similar dashboard from Coupler.io, but this time it's for Facebook ads. Like its Google Ads version, it gives you an overview of the KPIs and lets you interact with charts. You can monitor the spend dynamics and compare the stats for each campaign and ad set separately. The frequency chart may come in handy too. The Facebook Ads report template is also free and takes just a few minutes to set up. Next up is a web analytics dashboard for Looker Studio, collecting data from Google Analytics 4. It's invaluable for tracking how traffic and conversions change every day. Should anything unexpected occur, you'll be the first to know. You can see the breakdown of traffic over time, filter data to get precisely what you need, dive into the behavioral data just as you would in GA4. Explore the key metrics for each landing page, build and customize funnels, choosing freely from hundreds of available events. There are many more charts available with the Web Analytics Report template, so go ahead and explore it on your own. Jumping back to advertising topics, I've got for you a comprehensive PPC multi-channel report template. Use it to merge all your advertising data into a single dashboard. Track the key metrics for all channels combined, or quite opposite, see the breakdown and find the best and worst performing platforms in your portfolio. See all your essential data in a single place. Follow the README instructions to set up, add as many platforms as you need, and get your data into a report within minutes. And if you work with other platforms, you'll be happy to hear that this PPC template is also available for Microsoft Power BI, as well as for Google Sheets. You'll find all the links in the video description below. Next on my list is a SEO dashboard template, an invaluable tool for monitoring your traffic. Apply filters and track all your key metrics in a single place. Monitor the click dynamics over time, choose the metrics that interest you the most, and find the best and worst performers, and more. This dashboard is also available for Power BI. Check it out yourself. And now, on the intersection of PPC and PR, I have for you a Facebook ads and brand awareness template. This tool collects data from Facebook and Instagram ads, as well as from Google Search Console, to help you better understand the attribution of your traffic. At first, you can see the impressions generated by your advertising campaigns. An identical chart below gives you an overview of branded impressions and clicks if you'd like. You can filter each chart by country to see, for example, if that campaign you ran in South Africa gave you the expected branded traffic in Google in that country. Next up is a digital marketing reporting template from Agency Analytics that offers a comprehensive overview of different marketing areas in your business. First off, you have a Google Analytics overview as well as a separate page for tracking GA4 goals. Next, you have your SEO rankings overview and the keywords breakdown. On a separate page, you can see a social media review, while a separate report offers a PPC summary. This digital marketing reporting template is available directly on the agencyanalytics.com platform and is also free of charge. Another dashboard I wanted to share with you is in Google Sheets, and it's a social media marketing report template. You can use it to monitor your audience demographics, see where your likes come from, and track how the followers count has grown over time. The template is simple but has plenty of the data you want to track on a regular basis, and there's also an Excel version available if you'd like. I also have a content marketing report template for Google Sheets. The file lets you predefine your funnel stages, set goals, and track if they get accomplished. You can break down the traffic into different categories and see a breakdown in a visually appealing way. Note, unlike the other templates I've shared so far, this dashboard doesn't update automatically. You'll need to insert some data yourself every month. However, it still calculates plenty for you and can be used without any additional software and subscriptions, so it's worth a try. And now onto the last two templates on my list. The first is a LinkedIn Ads report template. The dashboard gives a quick overview of the KPIs of the platform and lets you compare metrics over any period of time. What's more, you can monitor the ads funnel, keep track of conversion rate and CTR, and stay on top of leads acquired from LinkedIn. And the last template I wanted to show you is for those of you that run YouTube channels. The template gives you a quick overview of your KPIs and can monitor how subscribers come and go. A separate table gives you the metrics for every video you've ever published, so you can quickly compare videos and understand what worked for you before. As was the case for all Coupler.io templates, this one is also free and can be set up in just a few minutes. Find all the available free dashboard templates directly on our website. And that's all for today. As a reminder, you'll find the links to all the marketing reporting templates that I've shared in this video in the video description below. It was a pleasure to have you here today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share the video with others, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.